I'm going to show you how to use the Appian system. First, you'll receive an email that says an account has been created for you. You'll see a link for step 1 and then a token for step 3. When you click the link, it will take you to this page, and this is where you'll enter the token from the email and your email address. Make sure it's the same email address where you received that email. When you click continue, it takes you to this page, and this is where things get a little bit tricky. If you already have a login.gov registration, you can just scroll down and start entering your information. But if you don't already have a login.gov email, you need to click the link in step 2, because in order to have an account in Appian, you have to log in through the login.gov credentials. So I clicked create an account, and then I put my email in there. Click that you have read and accepted the terms. When you see this screen, it will tell you to check your email. So you'll go back to your email and you'll receive one from login.gov that looks like this. And here you'll need to click confirm email. When you get to this page, it will prompt you to enter a password. And then click continue. On the next page, it will ask you to do 2-factor authentication. You can do your phone, or if you have the Authenticator app, you can do that too. Right now, I'm going to use one of the Authenticator apps that I have. And it will give you a code to type in. When you click submit, it will tell you that you have added an authentication method to your account. You can add another method if you want, but you don't have to. And now it shows that I have an account. From here, I'm going to go back to this page where I need to register for an Appian account. Since I now have a login.gov email, I'm going to type that email twice and then enter my basic information, current educational role, state, and then I'll agree to the terms and conditions and click submit. I now get this confirmation that I successfully registered for Appian, and when you check your email, you'll see an email that says registration complete. There's a different link in here now, so from now on, anytime you log into Appian, you want to use this link. So when I get to the correct link, I'll click sign in with login.gov, agree, and then it will take me to another page with the terms of service for Appian. Click I agree. You'll notice that when I get into my account and it says assigned reviews, at first it says no assigned reviews. So unfortunately, I'm unable to assign the applications to you before you complete your registration. So once you've completed your registration, just email me and then I can add your applications to your account. Once you've let me know that you have registered and I add the applications to your account, from now on when you log in, you'll see the applications that are assigned to you. First name, last name, school, review status. So this tells me that I have not started reviewing this person's application. When I'm ready to review, I just click Review Application. This is what the screen looks like for each individual application. On the left, you'll see all of the application components. You're just focused on the middle two, personal statement and project abstract. So when you expand each section, you'll see the artifacts. So the personal statement is a video. If you want to download the video and watch it, you can, but you can just click video preview and the video is there, and so you can watch it. The same for project abstract. If you want to download it, you can, but you don't have to. You can click document preview and it shows it right there. The project abstracts are only one page, so it's not too much to just view here in the preview. So during your panel discussions, this is where you're going to watch the videos together and the project abstracts and discuss the scoring. The instructions over here will expand or collapse. We've already shared the rubric with you, so you can have that pulled up on another screen. But if you don't, it's here and you can just look at it in the preview. We've added notes for what we're looking for, and each section expands. And again, it gives context for each element that you're scoring. This is just another representation of the scale. And here is where you actually type your scores. Remember, it's only 0 to 3. And so you'll make sure to have a score for each of the 4 elements. You'll do the same thing for the project abstract. Here are notes about the elements. If you want to expand the scoring scale, it's here. And again, you'll need to score each element of the project abstract. At the bottom, under final score and notes, this is where you enter your written comments. These two are required, and you can write them in full sentences, or you can write them as a bulleted list. They don't have to be complete sentences, but we just want to see evidence of your scores and why you rated each element the way that you did. Your comments should align with the scores. If you're not ready to submit, you can click Save Draft. And so then when you return to it, the review status says in progress. When you are ready to submit your scores, you can click Save and Submit. Sometimes the system is a little bit slow, and you can see at the top how this little progress bar in green is going. So sometimes you have to wait a minute or two for the system to load. When you return to your home screen, you'll now see that the review status has changed to submitted. So you will repeat this process for all of the applications assigned to you. You'll have anywhere between 8 and 10 applications.